In this video, I will discuss about how to calculate the pH and pOH of solution. In biological science, chemical science, agriculture science, and many industrial processes, the hydrogen ion concentration or hydronium ion concentration are frequently used to know either the solution is acidic or basic. Since for these processes hydronium ion concentration, that is hydrogen ion concentration, are in terms of very small value. To change this small value into large value for convenience, Sorensen in 1909 proposed the pH and pH scale. That is, pH is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. This negative value is to change the negative value into positive, and log is used to change a smaller value into higher value, and hydrogen ion concentration must be in mole per liter, that is molarity. We can also say molar concentration. Similarly, if the solution has given pH, we can easily find the hydrogen ion concentration by the formula NT log minus pH. Similarly, pOH is also the negative logarithm of hydroxide ion concentration. Similarly, hydroxide ion concentration should be also in terms of moles per liter, that is molar concentration. If pOH is given, then concentration of hydroxide ion can be calculated by NT log of minus pOH. This shows hydrogen ion concentration and pH is inversely proportional. If the solution has high concentration of H plus, its pH must be low, and if solution has low hydrogen ion concentration, its pH must be high. Similarly, for OH minus ion, the relation between pOH is pH plus pOH equal to 14 at 25 degree centigrade. The ionic product of water is 1.0 into 10 to the minus 14. Then ionic product of water has relation concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus. If you calculate, you can get hydrogen ion concentration 10 to the minus 7 moles per liter, and similarly hydroxide ion concentration also minus 7 moles per liter at 25 degree centigrade. Therefore, pH of water will be pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. Minus log value of hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the minus 7. If we calculate the pH, it will be 7, which is considered as neutral. In reference with water at 25 degrees centigrade, 7 is the neutral pH of solution. How to calculate the pH of solution? To calculate pH of solution, student must focus the concentration of hydrogen ion in solution, the net concentration of hydrogen ion in solution in terms of moles per liter. How much concentration of H plus ion is present in that solution? That hydrogen ion concentration is expressed in terms of pH. Here question is, calculate the pH of 0.001 molar HCl. It means the question is asked how much hydrogen ion concentration is present in 0.001 molar HCl solution. How much hydrogen ion can it produce or gives, and that value should be changed in pH terms. First of all, to find the pH of any solution, you must focus on the hydrogen ion concentration in terms of moles per liter. Let's see how much hydrogen ion concentration is produced by HCl. From HCl, if one molecule of HCl get ionized, it gives 1 mole of H plus and 1 mole of Cl minus. Let's focus on H plus, not on Cl minus, because we have to find the pH of solution. If 1 mole is ionized, it gives 1 mole of H plus. If one molecule is ionized HCl, it gives 1 ion of H plus. But here the concentration of HCl is given 0.001 molar, that is moles per liter. This much moles is present in 1 liter. When it get ionized completely, it also produced 0.001 moles of H plus ion in 1 liter, that is called molarity. Therefore, from HCl only, concentration of H plus is 0.001 moles in 1 liter. HCl produce 0.001 molar HCl produce 0.001 moles of H plus in 1 liter. HCl is dissolved in water, therefore H plus also come from water. At 25 degrees centigrade, water also produce after auto ionization H plus. At 25 degrees centigrade, concentration of H plus is experimentally found 10 to minus 7 moles per liter. Then the net concentration of H plus must be in the solution 0.001 moles from HCl and 10 to minus 7 moles from water. If you add this value to this value, it is very high in comparison of this value. The net concentration will be 0.001 moles per liter. You can neglect this. After adding, the value has no any change, significant change. Now pH is negative log of H plus ion concentration minus log 0.001. If you have done calculator, how to calculate? Simple way, you can also express this in the term of 10 power minus 3. Log x power a has value a log x. Similarly, here value is minus 3 log 10. Log 10 has value 1. Minus plus, and log 10 has value 1. The answer will be 3. pH solution is what? 3. Now, if the question is asked, calculate the pH of 10 power minus 8 molar HCl. It is very dilute HCl. Then how can you find the pH? Same way, The question is asked how much S plus is produced in the solution and convert that S plus concentration in pH. First you should know pH equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration in moles per liter. If you find the S plus concentration, you can easily find the pH. First, from HCl, when HCl get completely ionized, it is a strong acid completely ionized to H plus and Cl minus. One molecule of HCl completely ionized to one H plus and one Cl minus ion. If 1 mole of HCl completely ionized, it give 1 mole of H plus. Here is concentration 10 to minus 8 molar, means 10 to minus 8 moles of HCl is dissolved in 1 liter. Therefore, it after completely ionization, it produced 10 to minus 8 moles per liter H plus ion. Therefore, from HCl, concentration of H plus is 10 to minus 8 moles per liter. HCl solution is prepared in water. Therefore, from water it also gives H plus ion. At 25 degrees centigrade, what experimentally found concentration of H plus ion is 10 to minus 7 moles per liter. Now, in the solution, net concentration of H plus becomes 10 to minus 7 plus 10 to minus 8. In this case, you can't neglect any value. These two values are additional. You can easily add this. After adding this value, you will get 1.1 into 10 to minus 7 moles per liter. You can't neglect any of the value like previous question. Now, pH equal to minus log H plus ion minus log 1.1 into 10 to minus 7. If you calculate, you 6.95. This is the pH of 10 power minus 8 molar HCl solution. Okay. The next type of question is calculate the pH of 0.1 normal H2SO4. pH, to find the pH, hydrogen ion concentration must be in moles per liter. Therefore, you have to change the normality into molarity. Like for H2SO4, the basicity of H2SO4 is 2 replaceable hydrogen. Therefore, basicity is what? 2. Normality equal to N into molarity. Therefore, molarity will be normality by N. Normality is 0.1 and value is what? 2. That is 0.05 molar. Again, H2SO4 on ionization always produce 2 H plus ion and 1 SO4 minus ion. 1 H2SO4 gives 2 H plus ion. It means when 1 mole of H2SO4 get completely dissolved in water, it get ionized to 2 mole of hydrogen ion, H plus ion. Here is given concentration of H2SO4 0.05. 0.05 molar H2SO4 gives double of this 0.05. Therefore, concentration of H plus ion becomes, if you multiply this, the same 0.1 moles per liter. Now, this H plus come from acid. Water also give H plus because H2SO4 is prepared, its solution is prepared in water. From water at 25 degrees centigrade, concentration of H plus is 10 to minus 7 moles per liter. Therefore, net concentration of H plus becomes 0.1 plus 10 to minus 7. Now here this value is very higher than this value. That's why you can neglect this value. Therefore net value is almost equal to 0.1 moles per liter. Now from pH formula, minus log hydrogen ion concentration minus log 0.1, this value will be 1. For shortcut trick, for acid solution, normality of acid is equal to concentration of hydrogen ion. Therefore the normality is the concentration of hydrogen ion. You can directly find the pH in this way, minus log into normality, minus log 0.1, the answer will be 1. Again, it does not need to use the calculator because here you can see minus log, you can write 0.1 is 10 to minus 1. This minus 1 comes from minus in 1 into minus, and log 10, minus 1 is plus 1, log 10 1, pH is what? 1. The next question is, calculate the pH of 10 to minus 5 molar NaOH after 100 times dilution. It means first you have to dilute the NaOH from 10 to minus 5 molar to 10 times dilution, 100 times dilution. Then after dilution you have to find the pH of NaOH. Okay, before dilution, let volume V1 is V, you can find, say suppose molarity M1 is 10 to minus 5 molar. After 100 times dilution, volume V2 becomes what? 100 times V. Therefore molarity equal to what? From law of dilution, V1 M1 equal to V2 M2. Law of dilution, V1 is V, M1 is 10 to minus 5, V2 is 100 times V, and you have to find the M2. The M2 becomes 10 to minus 7 molar. The concentration of NaOH becomes 10 to minus 7 molar. When NaOH is a strong electrolyte, when it is dissolved in water, it gives Na plus and OH minus ion. One molecule of NaOH ionizes to one Na plus ion and one OH minus ion. If 1 mole is dissolved, it gives 1 mole of OH minus. Here concentration of NaOH after dilution is 10 to the power minus 7 moles per liter. Molarity means the hydroxide ion concentration will be also what? 10 to minus 7 moles per liter because it ionizes completely. Concentration of OH minus ion from NaOH is 10 to minus 7 moles per liter. From water, because NaOH solution is prepared in water, Therefore, water also gives OH minus ion. From ionic product of water at 25 degrees centigrade, what we calculated, the concentration of hydroxide ion also is 10 to the minus 7 moles per liter. Now, net concentration of OH minus ion in the solution will be 10 to the minus 7 plus 10 to the minus 7. Now, you can't neglect the concentration of hydroxide ion from water because these two are comparable value. The value will be 10 into 10 to the minus 7. Now, to find the, you can't find the pH directly because since OH is given, you have to first find the pOH. The value of pOH is, formula is minus log OH minus ion minus log 2 into 10 to the minus 7, and the answer value will be 6.69. Now, to find the value of pH, we know that pH plus pOH is 14. Therefore, pH equal to 14 minus pOH. The 14 minus 6.69, the answer will be 7.31. Similarly, here is one question. Calculate the pH of 0.01 molar acetic acid if dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the minus 5. The dissociation constant is given. You must know that when dissociation constant is given, when degree of ionization is given, you must know that this acid is weak acid. Like HCl, like H2SO4 and other weak acid and weak base, acetic acid does not ionizes completely. If you think acetic acid ionizes completely to give acetate ion and hydrogen ion, if 1 mole is dissolved, it does not give 1 mole completely ionization. It never ionizes completely. It only get partially ionized. Therefore, we can't find the hydrogen ion concentration directly from the given concentration. First of all, you should know how much percent is ionized. 1%, 2%, 0.5%, how much percent is ionized. You should know. From this dissociation constant, we can easily find the degree of ionization. Degree of ionization of weak acid is root over dissociation constant by C. This is the degree of ionization. This is dissociation constant. This is the concentration of acetic acid. Concentration of acetic acid is given 0.01 molar. This is degree of ionization, how much it get ionized from this concentration. Dissociation constant is given 1.8 10 to the minus 5 and concentration is given 0.01. If you calculate, you will get the value 0.042. This is the degree of ionization. Sometimes degree of ionization is directly given, 1%, 2%, 1.42% is given, and sometimes dissociation constant is given. We know that acetic acid, when it is dissolved in water, it partially ionizes to acetate ion and hydrogen ion. If initial concentration is C, before ionization concentration of acetate ion and hydrogen ion is 0. After some times in equilibrium, alpha is the degree of ionization, then the concentration of acetate ion will be initial concentration of degree of ionization. Therefore, concentration of S plus ion come from C into alpha. Concentration of S plus come C into alpha. C is 0.01, alpha is 0.042. The concentration of hydrogen ion will be 4.2 into 10 to minus 4 moles per liter. The value of S plus ion from acetic acid with comparison to S plus from water, 10 to minus 7, is very high. Therefore, this value is very higher than the value of S plus from water. That's why we can neglect this value. The net concentration of S plus ion is 4.2 10 power minus 4 moles per liter. Therefore, pH will be negative log of hydrogen ion concentration minus log 4.2 into 10 to minus 4. The answer will be 3.37.